And I also have instructions for you how you can create a sample or a smaller version of that Gapminder. So I will open a new Tableau, and then I will use the default World Bank. I believe that's the World Bank data that is already embedded within Tableau. So we have the World Bank indicators. So we'll use this data set since it is already there. And then, well, let's look. I'll just put them here side by side and how we can follow those. So they want us to put the life expectancy. So the life expectancy, for female into the rows. They want us to make it average. So Mary Jane, can you please mute your mic? And then the birthday to the column, the birth rate to the column, and then I will make it. Thank you, Mary. And then I'll use the average here. And then they want us to put the region in the color. And then they want us to use, the population total to the size. Yeah, and then they said we can use the drop down, so here, and use circles instead, which is already there. So circles now they are filled. Now they want us kind of to size. So to adjust the size, I can just click on this guy, the mark here, and then I can just move the size here. They want us also to adjust the color. So for the color, they want us to use a certain color. Let's see. So for the color, they want us to use opaque, opacity to be 65. So that's close enough. And then they want us to select the border. And so for the border, I will just skip that. And then create animation. So they want us to move the year to the region. So, but here they have country as well. So I will add also country to the detail. So now they want us to use the year because that's what we want to play, or to go from the oldest year to into the pages mark. So now we can actually play this and see how it looks like. So now when I brought the years into the pages here, I got this one here. It's like like a playing video, and we have different whether we want it to go fast, normal versus slow. So I'll just keep the default, and then we can I will just click on this one, which is kind of the play. I'll play, so going from 2000, and then you will see it kind of moving now, right? So you get the idea. So this is how we can create Gapminder using Tableau, and it is really beautiful, feature, a beautiful graph that we can use in Tableau. It doesn't necessarily have to